What's up everybody, Rami Z, doing a quick video today of LTBR, the stock of the day. LTBR, I just want to talk about squeezes and what it looks like when a stock gets squeezed or when a stock is in the channel. Now, when this stock broke pre-market highs right here, you can see the volume came in. Volume is really heavy on this, and it pushed this thing to 333. After that, I was just watching it. So I'm watching to see where support holds. Support held in the 250 area. Let me show you guys right here. Support held right here in the 250 area. Then this thing started selling off. This thing sold off till 250 again. And then you can see this wick right here. Let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see. See, support held in the 250 area all this time. You can see by these bottom wicks, this little lower shadows, that these things were getting bought up. These things were getting bought up. So, and this is my type of pattern when the stock is in the channel. So I seen the stock in the channel. Let me show you guys. You can see this stock in a little micro channel today. So I was buying this at 250, and you can see the top was around $3. So when I was buying this around 250, I'm like, okay, I'm either gonna take profits quick or I'm gonna see if I can follow the trend. So I kind of followed the lower highs till I seen the first red candle. So got out that joint with I think it was a 39-cent profit. So let me go take this back. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. And then the stock started forming higher lows, and right here you can see the stock. Sorry about all these lines, but the stock was getting squeezed right here. Now it's in a little trend, when a channel going like upwards. So I was following this channel, got in again after I sold out right here, got in again when I seen this getting bought up, and I seen, okay, a lot of traders have their eyes on this, so this thing is still in play. This is what, see, this stock wasn't on my watch list, but I added it to my daily watch list. Now we have a watch list from a couple days ago, because you know today's Monday, so I have a watch list for Monday from the prior runners for continuation, but those didn't continue. So the thing is, I want to see stocks in play. So this thing had a lot of volume today. If you look at this right here, this thing's volume is 54 million so far. So a lot of volume on a low float stock. The shares outstanding are only 11.5 million, so I'm not sure exactly what the float is, but it's probably under 10 million. And you can see the stock still in this little channel. Now when I was buying it right here, I was like, okay, this thing's gonna break 3, it's testing 3, it's testing 3, it's testing 3. Should I take my profits? I was gonna take my profits at 317, but I was like, you know what, this thing's still making higher lows. So I'm like, I'm gonna try to be patient today and follow the little trend. So built this little channel going this way. You can see the bigger channel going this way, and then crack this channel. The thing we want is, we want it to hold this channel. Now, like I said in prior videos, you want to pretend like this is a door. Once we get through that door, we want the door to shut behind us. We don't want the door to stay open when we might fall right through. So we want the door to shut right behind us. So as soon as this thing shut, I took profits in the little channel going this way at $3.17. So, you know, when the volume decreased right here, let me show you level 2, you guys. These bidders were trying to crack the 3. Every time it tried to go under 3, it was like a tug of war. The shorts were trying to push it under 3, because if they're not successful at pushing it under 3, they might end up buying and covering a little squeeze. So this thing kind of got squeezed today. Well, it's still kind of getting squeezed because it's still in this channel. So when we say be patient with winners, you want to follow the higher lows. And the first sign of weakness, according to my strategy, I get out. So that's kind of a short squeeze. Just wanted to do a quick video today about showing you guys these different channels that you can play. You can play in between the channel. You can make a channel going this way. Let me get rid of level 2. Let me get rid of these lines real fast, you guys, just so I could show you. Okay, now when we're looking at this right here, let's say I wanted to make a trend line. I could say this way and go this way. Right? Now I'll follow the trend line all the way up. So if this thing cracks my trend line, let's say I'm trading this right here. I'm like, okay, I'm going to stay this. I'm going to follow the trend line. Not exactly, but in this area, you guys. Follow the trend all the way up just to have a little more patience with this thing. And then our next resistance is about 325. So this thing, look exactly at 325, it got stuffed. Because there is going to be some resistance every 25 cents in the market. Especially, see this thing cracking our trend line now? So as soon as this cracks hard, shorts are going to be all over this thing. Trying to push it down to the next support, which is about 250. Let me show you guys on a 1 minute chart. Our next support would be right here. See, look, it just broke our trend line. Let's look at the times and sales. Okay, level 2. Times and sales are mixed, getting weaker. Look at the volume bar, you guys. All reds. A lot of selling pressure right here. Now they're trying to crack this $3. They got, see, there we go. Next support I see it around, the key support is 275 right now. Next support after that is 250. A lot of shorts will probably be covering some of their positions around 270, 275. Now, stocks fall faster than they go up in a lot of situations because a lot of panic sellers, a lot of stop losses. That's why I don't use stop losses, you guys. So, if you're good with discipline, you don't have to use stop losses. But if you're bad with discipline, I suggest a stop loss. According to your strategy, according to your ways, according to what you like. Now this thing's gonna test 3 right here. Let's see if we can get back 3. Let's see if previous previous support becomes new resistance. In a lot of cases it will. So we'll get stuffed at 3 now. So in trading, how I think of it, or how I go about trading, is I want to get into the psychology of trading. I don't see these things as numbers. I don't see these lines as, I see these lines as like traders lining up, getting ready to buy and sell. And that's how you have to see it. You have to see, okay, there's a lot of eyes on this thing. People are either going to buy it or sell it. And I know shorts are hovering around this thing, trying to break this thing down. You got to think of it as a tug of war. So right now the tug of war is going on. They won it for a second right here. Bears took control right here. Bulls are trying to take control right here again. We'll see what happens, you guys. Does anybody have any questions, any video topics you want me to make a video about? Anybody has anything that has to do with stocks, trading, please feel free to reach out to me, leave a message. Please like and subscribe if you got any value from this video. Thanks for everybody for watching. I hope you guys have a great 2018. And always remember, plan the trade, trade the plan. Even if you have to make a quick plan, always have risk and always have your reward. At least 2 to 1, you guys. Thank you, and peace out.